Here's a 2020 Audi A5 Coupe. A dual threat in passionate design and inspiring performance, this Audi A5 combines dynamic handling and muscular styling to elevate your driving experience. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, front heated leather sport seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.